In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to add debit card to Piggyvest account. So all you just need to do, just log into your Piggyvest app on Android or on iPhone. Then the next thing you're going to do is just click on account down below. You can see account. So once you click on that, scroll all the way down on this page to where you see my debit card and link bank. So you can see right there. So just click on that. It's going to take you straight down to this page. Right, you can see my payment method. You add money to your Piggyvest savings from your bank account or debit card. Millions of customers have their card and bank linked to Piggyvest, but right now you have no card or banks linked to your Piggyvest yet. Securely link your bank, debit card, or link your pocket app to start saving money. So depend on the one you want to use. So let's say you want to add your debit card, so click on add a new card. Then you see this option, please wait, you have to link your card. So you can see input the card number right here. So then click on verify card. So once you click on verify card, they're gonna ask you for some other details of that card. So let's say I wanna input a random number. So 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4. So sorry. So right here you can see this looks like a MasterCard details. So you provide the expire date, let's say 06/25 for example. Then the CVV, let's say 312. So then input your card pin, let's say 1 2 3 4. So you can see, then you click on verify card. So they're gonna send a 4-digit or 6-digit code to that phone number linked to that bank card. You understand? So once you get that code, you input it to the page they loaded for you. Then once you do that, then you'll be able to add your card successfully to your Piggyvest account. Just simple as that. And if you have any question, you can let us know through the comment section below. Thank you.